Wind builds as the race kicks off.
They're supposed to step on the stones.
Come on, boy.
In fact, they're jumping on the crocodile's back.
The boys are poised on the stepping stones, eager to showcase their speed and agility. The atmosphere is charged with anticipation as they dash up and down, each step adding to the thrill of the friendly competition.
And some of them are even walking on the water. They're running across the water. They're not even stamping the stones.
It's going to be a close finish,
Very close.
and it's Kenny Lee House as the winner.
Well done.
এদের হলুদ এই এই ডিস্টার্ব করেছে।
Can we have a big round of applause for all our participants?